to a new video. So today we here at Munich. So we're right now exploring Partnachklamm. This is one of the best tourist attractions in Germany, in Bavarian region. So right now we are on a hike to reach Partnachklamm. Yes, we have reached the Partnachklamm. So we got the tickets here, which cost 7.5 euros per person. So we're right now 4 persons in total. So it costs around 30 euros. Of the Partnachklamm. So I guess you have to walk 50 meters from the ticket counter in order to reach the entrance. So let's go explore Partnachklamm. The Partnachklamm Gorge, which we'll be going through right now. So we just go through the entrance. Right now we'll be going through it. Right now it's a Friday, so there isn't much rush. But if you come, I guess on Saturday or Sunday, I heard like there is too much rush, and during summers too. So right now, today was a perfect day to come. Just not so cold and not so hot. So let's experience the gorge. So we have to go through the cave. Like there is so many caves in between here. So this is the actual experience of the Partnachklamm, where you go through the gorge. So it's a wonderful experience. You can see the water gushing down. It's a green turquoise. It's like the sound of the water is so great that I don't think so you can hear my voice, but I'll try my hard. This is the best view from here. You can see the sunlight from the above proper falling down the cave. You can see the water gushing down. You can see my friends taking my photos. It's like so cool. You can see the mist forming from the top. Like the water is falling from there, which forms a mist. And right now, water droplets are falling on my face because of the waterfalls that is falling from above. It's not rain, but there is water falling from top. So this like the place is so amazing and calm, and it's better you don't come like when there is rush. If you do so, I don't think so you can enjoy this. But right now it's just us. You can see no one is there, so it is so peaceful and so good to enjoy alone. So we are exploring more of it. Like if you're a guy if you're a tall person, you might need to care about your head. You might hit the roof of the cave. But the view is amazing. Like mesmerizing view. Like the nature is so beautiful when you see this. Then only you'll understand how beautiful the nature is. So you will see this is the most Instagrammable place here, I guess. I've seen a lot of reels from here where people have taken. I think so it's from this position. It's like one of the best positions to take a photo in this gorge. Like you can see the curves of the cave here, how beautiful it is. This is the almost straight view from here till there. A best for photography. Like I've seen people in these taking photos here. This is the view from here right now. So good, yeah. I love this Partnachklamm Gorge. Actually, this is not rain. Actually, this is the water from above which is falling down. It's not actually rain. So when it falls down, it feels like it's raining, but it's not raining actually. So guys, we are back after the trail. So it took almost 1 hour to go up and come down from the gorge. So I think you can take almost 20 to 30 minutes per, like, normally if you're going alone, if you're not stopping and you need to take a photo or anything. Since we stopped a lot to take some photos and videos, it took around us 30 minutes to reach on the top and the same to come down. So right now it's 11 a.m. And keep a reminder that you always have a cap or hoodie, so that when the droplets fall from above, it doesn't go to your hair, otherwise you might get a cold or a fever. I think so it's better, and the price wise 7.5 euros for this is actually worth. I recommend this place everyone who's coming to Germany, like, you should experience this. It's a natural beauty. It's like the view is mesmerizing. Like, I don't know what, like, I liked it so much, so I recommend you to come here and experience this.